If you are a service-based business, you need Pinterest. It's free marketing. Why are you not using it? Today we're going to talk about 3 Pinterest strategies for service-based businesses. I'm Jen with Wed Photography Coach. I help you create marketing systems to easily drive traffic to all of your content. And if that sounds like something that you could always use help with, please definitely subscribe below and click that bell icon so that you get notifications every time I drop a video. Having a strategy is a great way to make marketing on Pinterest easier. A lot of my clients have come to me and said, I know I need Pinterest, but I don't have time. I'm doing all the things and focusing on Instagram as most businesses do, when Pinterest will give you way more bang for your buck or your time. I am known to my clients for constantly creating systems to make anything and everything I do easier. Anything you have a system for is automatically going to speed up the time, and then you have more time to spend with your family, with your loved ones. So let's get started. Let's go over those 3 Pinterest strategies that will help your service-based business. So tip number 1 is to create content that encourages people to come back for more. People go to Pinterest to be inspired, to buy something, or to learn how to do something, or how to make something. So an example is women go when they're pregnant. They go to learn all kinds of tips about pregnancy, or how to take pregnancy or maternity photos or belly pictures. Women who are getting married, of course, go there and plan their entire wedding, from what they're wearing to how they're decorating the venue, etc. So that's why it's important to create content that helps people in your niche to learn how to do something. So time out real quick. I'm going to be making a ton more videos. So if there's any tips or tricks, or you want to learn anything about Pinterest or Tailwind specifically for you or your business, put that down below in the comments so that I can go ahead and add that to my ideas. Tip number 2 is to position yourself as an expert. My advice to all of my clients is to create content, whether that's YouTube, podcast, Instagram, or your website, that helps to answer questions that you in your business get all the time. If you're a wedding photographer and people ask how many hours they need to be able to take all these beautiful photos, I can create a piece of content that answers that question and maybe gives timelines and information for people. So you can bet if you're getting those questions all the time in your business, there are a ton of people looking on Pinterest for that information. And as I've mentioned before, this could be a blog post, a YouTube video, a podcast, an Instagram post. It could be anything. You can drive traffic with Pinterest to any content that is your favorite content to create. And in fact, the best thing and the thing that gets the most clicks on Pinterest are lead magnets, or a freebie that you are giving out for your company. So as a wedding photographer, I created the Ultimate Wedding Planning Guide, and that's one of my most clicked pins on Pinterest because it's free, and most people getting married want free advice and want to know all the things for wedding planning. That's why I created that lead magnet, and that's why that pin is so popular. Consider creating a lead magnet because it'll drive a lot of traffic to your pin and grow your email list while you're at it. When they get something free, it's a way of starting to warm up to them. Then you can start sending emails to them, and ultimately they'll purchase from you. My 3rd tip is to use keywords or search engine optimization. Basically, whatever people are typing into the search bar for your ideal client. So if you're a makeup artist, you might create something that's how to create a smoky eye, or how to have the no makeup look. One thing that a lot of my clients do in terms of making a mistake is that they use a lot of industry-specific acronyms and words that people don't understand. So for wedding photography, people will say e-sessions. Well, most brides who are first-time people getting married don't know what e-sessions, that they're actually engagement sessions. So use the words that your ideal bride is going to use and not those industry-specific words. I hate to say it, but that acronym KISS is perfect. Keep it simple, stupid. always dumb down your information so a 10-year-old will understand it and you will have a lot more traffic. So today we went over 3 Pinterest strategies for service-based businesses. And the first one was to create content that encourages them to come back for more content. The second one was to position yourself as an expert in your niche or your industry. And the third one was to use keywords that your ideal client uses. As a gift, I created a Pinterest challenge, and I'm going to give you the code down below in the comment section to get that for free. This Pinterest challenge will take you as a business owner from not even having a Pinterest account to going through and creating an optimized Pinterest account for a business person. So you can get that code below. Like I always say, work smarter, not harder. Happy pinning! Should I say drop a video?
Yeah.
Okay. I always have, is that good? It's a big thing. I hated that. Consider creating a lead magnet for your niche and put some positions.